Hello. This is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will be showing you what all the chat settings options mean and when and how to use each one of them. When you open Facebook on your computer, you can see Contact section on the right. If you click on the video camera icon, you can start group or conference call. You can send the conference call link and invite people to join just like Zoom. If you click on search icon, you can search for the account you want and start chat with them. They don't have to be your Facebook friends for you to start chatting with them. And if you click on the three-dot icon, turn on and off the incoming call sound, message sound. If turn off the show contact, all the contacts you have had conversation will be hidden. You can turn on and off your active status on Facebook Messenger. Which means if it's on, your friends will see you online from their side. You can choose to be online for some friends and offline for some if you want. If you click on Privacy and Safety, you can start end-to-end encrypted chats with the person. It is the secured version of FB Messenger chat. If you want to know more about that, click on the recommended video from the icon or from the video link from the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.